Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your Link tokens for better opportunities or just to consolidate your crypto holdings, this tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Crypto.com, and that you have some Chainlink in your Uphold wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Wallets section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find Chainlink and click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw option. This might be under a menu like Transfer or Actions. When you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your Chainlink wallet, and copy the deposit address. It's crucial to use the exact address to prevent any loss of funds. Paste that address into the Uphold send form, then enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees and network details. Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum network, so ensure you're selecting the right one to keep costs low. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Crypto.com account for the incoming funds. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. This process is simple, but always prioritize security and verify details to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.